Good day guys, you're welcome to another video from FOREX. You're welcome. How are you guys doing? I hope we are all making the pips. I wish all of us more pips as we try to take a look at what is happening right there on this chart today. This is Cadchf. This is Cadchf pair. So in my screen right here, I've gotten two different charts from two different brokers paired up together on the screen. This is mostly how I do my analysis to give me a broad overview of what exactly is happening in the market, so I can see from higher time frame and as well looking at the lower time frame almost simultaneously. So this gives me the know-how not to start going about, have to look at this time frame, clicking on this time frame, then clicking on the other time frame. But from my screen, I can easily just be looking at the two pairs. So looking at what's happening on the higher time frame, looking at what is happening on the lower time frame, right, almost at the same time. The lower time frame right here to my right side will give me the little details to the breakdown of what is happening on the right side here, which is the 1 hour. This is the daily time frame to my right, to my left here, while the one I have to my right here is the 4-hour chart. So we are going to look at this chart now. Please guys, before I proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, FOREX, because from time to time I will always be having videos like this posted of how you can look at the chart in a simple manner to understand exactly what is happening in the market. This is a pure price action. This is how my chart always looks like. I never have any indicators or what have you plotted on my screen. It's just a pure price action I'm looking at. It's just some few lines here and there, like I used to draw my support and resistance and then gauging the momentum of the market. So you're welcome guys. So in this very chart, in this quick video, I'm quickly going to be talking about this Cadchf that I'm looking at. I'm seeing a potential of a setup of a buy that is probably developing now. I will be waiting to see exactly how the confirmation plays out before I will be taking the trade. So let me just quickly go into what I'm looking at on this chart right now. So if you look at it to my left here, to my left chart here, you can see the market. This is the daily time frame. Don't forget guys, this is the daily time frame. So you can see the market moving from this spot, moving shooting from here, from all the way from down here, move up, break the resistance here, resistance, then the market moves up very aggressively, moves to this point, then it starts to pull back, then around this area it turned into a range. Market was ranging all along, all through this area. It was in a range, but the range was happening at the momentum of this buyer that pushed below all these choppy sideways market that has been happening here for the longest time. So after the range, the market pushed up again very aggressively. Then it came back, used this resistance, turned into a support now, pushed up again, and since then the market has been going up until the market gets to this resistance here. There's a resistance around here somewhere. Then the market starts to crash, start to collapse again. Then it collapsed all the way down to the same support previously where before it broke out. The market goes up again. Then market gets to the same area again where it has been collapsed previously. Then market, what do you know? They've done it before and now they do it again. And what do you see? Market collapse again aggressively back to the same area. So now at this point in time, when you have this first touch here, second touch here, third touch here, it gives us that on this very daily time frame, this market is currently has turned into another range. And look at the range, the size of this range now. Look at the time frame, daily time frame. see how long it takes, so when it crashed back to this area very aggressively again, then I was like, okay, let's see exactly what it's going to do. The previous buyer here, let's see exactly what it's going to do again. And what do you know, market starts to consolidate. It's been consolidating all this while, from this area. Now I'll be jumping into the right side of the chart to show you exactly this consolidation, this choppy area on the daily time frame. Let's see the fine details of it on the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours here, when the market crashed down to this area, then it pulled back. If you compare this pullback now, there's something we call gauging the momentum. If you look at how far these sellers push all the way down to this area, and look at this retracement. That's just about, you compare this retracement now, this retracement here to this push down, you can see that it's about 20-30% of the whole move. But look at the second seller again. Sellers try it again. It barely beats this record of the previous low that he made to this area. Then it was struggling again. But look at the pushback of the previous seller. Now the seller that pushed from here now pushed very deep. And look at the next seller again. This is the 4 hours now, giving all the fine details of what exactly is happening here. Look at the seller again. He pushed, couldn't even meet the record that he set previously. Then jumped away back to this area, almost like 100% move back. Now it turned to another range at the expense of this buyer that pushed back price up right here, at the bottom of the range. So we have so many confluence lining up all together around this same area now. So I was like, okay, let's see exactly what happened when you get to the top of this range here. Then it shoots back down, but he couldn't even beat his record. You can see from all this while, the buyers have been stepping up. Look at it. Look at the way the buyers have been going up. Jump up here, tell you somebody is here aggressively trying to buy this market. And now it has finally today break out of this range that is created. Now I will be waiting tomorrow, or maybe in the coming days, maybe by to next week, since tomorrow is Friday, maybe tomorrow or next week, to see a confirmation. If I see a slowdown move here now, probably to this line or somewhere within this zone, with a confirmation of maybe a price action or something for a buy, I will be taking the buy. And with the potential of having the market probably moving back to this area where seller was shooting it all the way all down. So with the potential of a buy somewhere within this zone, and with probably my stop loss just below here, or at most just below the green line, below the blue line down here, gives me about a minimal profit of about reward of about 5 reward to risk to one risk. But I'm not saying that this is a proven that it will always play out this way, but if it's not going to work out, we have a minimal loss to maximize the profit if it eventually go into our favor. So this is exactly how we're looking at this chart. I will be monitoring it, and I will be posting the more updates on it as the trade develops in the coming days. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please use the comment section below. Ask your question. If you have any charts you're looking at that you want us to look at together, post them. I will tell you exactly what I'm looking at about it, and we'll all go and learn together. So thank you guys. Please don't forget to once again to subscribe to this channel, Cadchf Forex. You are welcome guys. Cheers.